Okay, so let's solve question involving quotient rule. So picking some past question. Now past question, the very first questions are adv 1. In adv 1, we are given that y equals to 3x plus 7 all over x minus 2. So in solving this, we have that y equals to 3x plus 7 all over x minus 2. So like I did tell you, we are going to assume at the numerator we have u and at the denominator we have v. So using quotient rule, we are going to have that dy all over dx is equals to v du dx minus u dv dx all over v square. So it means that any place I have my v and u, I need to find their derivative. So a quick one, let's do that fast. Recall that we said let our u to be the numerator, and that is 3x plus 7. So a quick one, find the derivative of this. So the u ds will give me what? 3. I've gotten that. Then recall we said let our v be x minus 2. So when I find a derivative of dv dx, that turns to just 1. So that being done, we can now find the value of dy dx. So dy dx is equals to v du over dx minus u dv over dx all over v square. So in doing that, what's the value of our v? The value of v is known to be x minus 2. So I'm going to have it as x minus 2 in bracket. What's the value of du dx? The value of du dx is known to be 3. So I'm going to multiply that by 3. I bring it to the front. I'm going to have that 3 in bracket x minus 2, then minus. The next thing is the value of u. The value of u is given to be 3x plus 7. So that going to be 3x plus 7. Then the value of dv dx. dv dx is known to be 1. So you know that when you multiply anything by 1, it's still going to remain the same way. So all over the value of v squared. The value of v squared, which is the value of v, the value of v is x. That means we are going to have it as x minus 2 all squared. So this is how we find quotient rule of dy dx. So let's look at the option whether we have such an answer. Okay, so before we move on to the answer, I think we can further simplify, because in the option we don't have something like that. So let's further simplify. If you look at this, 3 multiplied by x give us 3x. Then 3 multiplied by 2 give us minus 6. So we go on with minus 3x plus 7. So at this case, we notice that okay, so that's where the issue is. So at this side, we should have a bracket. So if you have a bracket there, it's going to be minus 3x, because the minus open bracket, then minus 7 all over x minus 2 all squared. So when you look at this side, collecting like times at the numerator, this can cancel out this. We're going to be left with just minus 6 minus 7 all over x minus 2 all squared. So that's after this is minus 13 all over x minus 2 all squared. Considering the option, let's see what we have. Okay, coming out to the option, the right answer is option B, which is minus 13 all over x minus 2 all squared.